Well, hello everybody. How are you doing tonight? Or tomorrow morning, or whatever time you're watching this. Right now I'm going to show you how to clean your Xbox controller, Xbox One to be specific. I recently started having sticky buttons on my B button. Yeah, I think I spilled some beer in there. Shucks. It happens. Even finger grease, lotion, anything can get in there and make things get sticky. I had to do a full repair on all three of my kids' controllers. They had drift problems with the controllers, joysticks, and this is going to be way simpler than that, and that's why I'm making this video. First off, what you're going to need: Q-tips, rubbing alcohol, a T5 or T8 torque screwdriver, and then my preference to help pry the parts of, oh, there's a piece of dog food in there, what the hell. My preference to get the sides apart to help pry once you have all the screws removed is a nice small flathead screwdriver. It is metal, it may mar up the plastics a little bit, but that's okay. You don't have to worry about that, because obviously if you're doing this, your controller's out of warranty. So first what you want to do is take your back plate off. Take the batteries out. By the way, if you don't have these, you're missing out. Eneloop lithium batteries are awesome. And I'll try to do this so you can see it. So behind this warranty sticker, there's a screw. You gotta get to it. Oh, I just voided my warranty. Good thing it's been outdated for like 2 years. Well, I guess I should mention this little tool right here. This is specific to Xbox controllers, Xbox One controllers, where it's a T8, but there's a little indent in the front as a safety mechanism. I bought this on eBay for about $2.50, free shipping, and I got it in about 3 days. It was amazing. Total life changer. You need this thing. Okay, so now I got that one screw out. Now the other ones, well, they're behind those pieces, so we gotta get in there. That's where this little guy comes in handy. I prefer to go in from the outside. Yeah, I screwed up already. The easiest way to get those off, being that they're all just pressure tabs, is to click down your button. That lets your little screwdriver get in there, and then you can slowly work it. There we go. So I got separation, but now I want to get in there and not allow it to close back up. That would be a problem. Then I can get in here, pop out the other side. See that? Okay. And we just work it around. Okay, so see how now we have the 3 screws exposed. We can then take those off, but I'm gonna get this other side off first. So now, we just have to take out these screws. It's super easy with this tool. This tool is amazing. Oh, and did I mention? It's magnetic. That's so nice. Alright, so now we have all the screws removed. It's time to open this thing up. And I can't remember. Okay, the back just lifts out. But that's not the side that we want to worry about. We need to worry about the front, because our problems... I'm sorry to interrupt this broadcast, but O'Keeffe's Working Hands Lotion is awesome. I'm not sponsored by this. I bought all of this, but they should sponsor me because I could use it. I work in an industry where I use my hands all the time and they dry out, and this stuff is amazing. If you haven't heard of it, try it out. O'Keeffe's Working Hands Lotion. Okay, so now that we have all the screws removed, we want to flip the controller over because our problem is in the front and we want to get that front plate off. So let me move these things out of the way. We're just going to lift this plate off, okay? So my problem here is that the B button's sticking. Well, easy. Right now, I just need to get a little alcohol on it and clean off the sticky parts. So we're just going to rub around the outside of the button. And while we're open, we might as well rub around all the other buttons. Go ahead and clean off the joysticks, because those collect dust and hair, and you'd be surprised what gets inside these things. Yeah, look how gross that is. That's just the inside contact points of my buttons. I haven't cleaned the outside points yet. That's disgusting. So I'm going to get this other side wet with alcohol. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to clean the front plate. If you're going to open it up, go ahead and clean everything. I would suggest, if you're going to do this, have a cotton ball or two to be able to do the big surfaces, because with a Q-tip it kind of sucks. But just to show you, see that nice big hair, 2 hairs in there? Like, that hair inside my controller. That's messed up, man. So, we'll dump that Q-tip and continue cleaning. Perfect. So I've got everything cleaned. Obviously my problem was from the outside in on this situation. But, you know, if you want to get more in depth, there's videos out there to help you know how to take the controllers apart. I had an issue with my kids where, like, they had a drift problem where it wouldn't snap back or it wouldn't read where the joystick was going. I actually took all the innards out, opened up the module that controls the joystick's direction, and was able to pop out one side of it, get some alcohol with a Q-tip down in there, clean it out, and that fixed all the problems. It was amazing. So, right there, 2 Q-tips. We're ready to go back together. It just sets on there. And now we just have to put the screws back in, so thank God for this magnetic driver. And I can seat it and just go put my screws back in. See on the flip side. There is something completely satisfying to me of being able to break warranty stickers and do a repair myself when my stuff is out of warranty. Like, I mean, if this was in warranty, there's no way I would do this. Alright, everything feels smooth. Button is no longer sticky. Like, it didn't click when I released. It did not come back. So we're good, I think. The only test to do would be to go hook it up to the Xbox and play, but that's not part of this video, so now I gotta put the back straps back on, figure out which side is which. And this is probably the easiest part, other than putting the batteries back in. You just line up the bottom corner, and just work your way up the sides. It snaps back in seamlessly. Oh yeah, perfect. Okay. Make sure there's no liquid up in the battery compartment. Pop those Panasonic envelopes back in. Power on. I mean, we're good, man. It's so nice to be able to do these repairs by yourself. Yeah. Fucking great. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, or if this helped you at all, leave a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button, or do whatever you want, because I don't control your life. You don't control my life. I just thought this would be a fun video to make, even though there are thousands, if not millions, of the same video. But I do need to say, like, thanks to my wife for letting me use her little crafting table area to make this video. She didn't have a say because she's in bed. So she'll find out tomorrow. And yeah. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.